A very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 9 Algebra. In this video, we will solve worksheet of third lesson polynomials. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer for the questions given below. First one. Which of the following is the polynomial? Tell me children, which is the right answer? Yes. D1. D is the right answer because x raised to 2. 2 is a whole number. So the correct answer is D. Now question number 2. A, B, C, D. 4 options are given children. In the third option C, one extra 1 is there. You cut it children. I did in the worksheet with the red pen. Now second one. What is the coefficient form of x raised to cube minus 1? Here children, we have to write in the coefficient form x cube. So with the x no coefficient means what we will take? 1. After that what it should come? Square. But square is not there, so we assume means 0. And after that x is also not there, so we assume again one more 0. And after that what is the children? Minus 1. Yes children, tell me which is the right answer? Yes, C is the right answer. Now move to third. What is the degree of the polynomial root 7? Always children, constant polynomial degree is 0. So which is the right answer? D. Fourth one. Which of the following is a linear polynomial? Tell me children, what is meant by linear? Linear means whose variable's degree is 1. It's known as linear. So here the right answer is children first one because x degree is 1. Now fifth one. When x equal to minus 1, what is the value of the polynomial 2x raised to 3 plus 2x? Here children, in place of the x we have to take minus 1 and we have to solve. So after solving children, you get the answer minus 4. Question number 2. Solve the following. First one. Write the polynomial 4x raised to square plus 7x raised to 4 minus x raised to cube minus x plus 9 in standard form. Standard form means children descending order of the powers. So which is the highest power here children? X raised to 4. So first we take that, after that x raised to cube and after that x square and after that x. So children, here the answer, the standard form of a given polynomial is 7x raised to 4 minus x raised to cube plus 4x raised to square minus x plus 9. Now question number 2. Write the index form of the polynomial using variable x from its coefficient form. Here children, we have to write in index form if the question is given in the coefficient form. So the first one. Here children, there are total 5 coefficients are there. 3, minus 2, 0, 7, 18. So first of all, we have to write the number of coefficients equal to 5. Here how many total number of coefficients are there children? 5. So we have to write 5. Now the degree of the polynomial is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. From children 5 we have to minus 1 because the last we are keeping as a constant number. That's why we have to minus 1. The index form is, children, now degree what we got? 4. So 3x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18. Now children, second one. Here total how many coefficients are there in the bracket? 4 coefficients are there. The number of coefficients equal to 4. Now children, we have to find out degree. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. The index form is 4x raised to cube plus 5x raised to square minus 3x plus 0. Now, question number 3. Find the value of the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x equal to 2. Here children, we have to substitute the value of x 2. So in place of x, we will put children 2. Therefore, p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. In place of x, which number we will take? 2. Therefore, p of 2 equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Here children, 3 2s are 6. So first we multiply that 2 number equal to 2 into 4. 2 square is children 4. So we get 4 minus 6 plus 5. Now 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6, what you get children? 2. So 2 plus 5. What you get the answer? Equal to 7. Now, question number 4. Find the factors of the polynomial. Here children, we have to find the factors of the polynomial. First one, 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Here children, how many terms are there total in this polynomial? 3 terms are there. So first term into third term. First term what is there? 3x square into 2. You get children 6x square. Now 6x square you split children. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 1 what you get? Middle term 7. Yes. Now 3x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 2. Here children, total how many terms are there now? 4 terms are there. Make the group of 2 terms and 2 terms and take out the common. So here children, what is the common between the 2 terms? 3x and uncommon in the bracket x plus 2. Here children, between the 2 terms, what is the common? 1. So take out the 1 common plus 1 and in the bracket uncommon x plus 2. Now children, in the next step, 3x plus 1. These are the common, take 1 bracket and x plus 2 2 time is there. So you take 1 time x plus 2. Now second one, 6x square minus 5x minus 6. Now here children, 3 terms are there. So first term and third term you have to multiply. 6x square into minus 6 equal to, you get children, minus 36x square. Now factors of minus 36x square minus 9x plus 4x. Now take the children common between the 2 terms. 6x square minus 9x, what is the common? 3x and uncommon 2x minus 3 and here 4x minus 6, what is the common? 2. So take out in the bracket 2x minus 3. Now children, 3x plus 2 in another bracket 2x minus 3. Now move to next question, that is question number 5th. Add 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn and 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. We have to add, children, these two polynomial. For adding or for subtracting, children, we have to take the polynomial in the bracket. That is your first step. Here we have taken in the bracket, children. Now open the bracket. So after opening, children, the bracket, no sign will change because here we are adding. In the subtraction, sign will change. So here no sign will change. Now in the third step, children, you have to group the like terms together. After grouping the like terms together, you can add or you can subtract the terms. Here, children, in the first grouping, what we will do? Add, because both the coefficients are positive. In the second grouping, what we will do? Subtraction, because 1 plus is there, 1 minus. In the third grouping, what we do? Minus. So the final answer is, children, 5m square n plus 4mn square minus 6mn. Now the next question, that is question number 6. Subtract 5a square minus 2a from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Here we have to subtract, children, from 7a square. So second polynomial you take first and first polynomial you take in the second and put in the bracket. Now next step is, children, removing the bracket. So when you are removing the first bracket, children, sign will be as it is. When you are removing the bracket of second polynomial, sign will change. Minus 5a square, minus minus it become plus 2a. In the third step, children, we have to group the like terms together. After grouping, children, like terms together, we can add or we can subtract. In the first grouping, what we will do? Subtract, because first term is plus and second term is negative. So we do the subtract. So what we get? 2a square. And in the second grouping, what we do? Addition, because both the terms are in the addition. So 7a plus 6. Now the next question, question number 7. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m equal to 2, then find the value of a. Here, children, the value of the polynomial is given 12 and m value is given 2. We have to find the value of a. Solution. P of m equal to m cube plus 2m plus a. In place of m, children, which number we will substitute? 2. Therefore, P of 2 equal to 2 raised to cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. In place of P of 2, children, we take 12 because in the question it is given. Equal to 2 cube is 8, 2 2s are 4 plus a. Now, 12 will be as it is, 8 plus 4, it become 12 plus a. Now, children, therefore, a equal to 12 minus 12 plus 12 minus 12, both get cancelled. A value we get 0, children. A equal to 0. The value of a is 0. Question number 8. Practice yourself, children.